G'day, Rach, your Aussie English teacher here. I've made this lesson nice and short so you can watch all the way to the end. Let's go. We've got 7 blended words to practice today. And the first one is must have or musta. He must have forgotten. He must have forgotten. You must have been exhausted. You must have been exhausted. You must have been exhausted. They must have left already. They must have left already. It must have slipped my mind. It must have slipped my mind. She must have known. She must have known. She must have known. The next blended word is Whadaya, and that comes from what are you? And it also comes from what do you? Whadaya. They both sound the same. What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you want? What do you want? What do you reckon? What do you reckon? What do you reckon? What do you reckon? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? And just while we're here, reckon is Australian for think. What do you reckon means exactly the same thing as what do you think? Bonus lesson in there for you. Now let's look at the next blended word, which is betcha. Comes from I bet you. I betcha. I bet you can't do it. I'll bet you can't do it. Bet you can't do it. I'll bet you didn't see that coming. Bet you didn't see that coming. The I gets dropped. The you turns into a ya and joins together. So bet ya, betcha. Bet you didn't see that coming. I'll bet you're starving. Bet you're starving. Bet you're starving. I bet you he's late again. I bet you he's late again. Bet you he's late again. Bet you he's late again. I bet you won't finish it. Bet you won't finish it. Bet you won't finish it. And this one is gotcha, which comes from the 3 words have got you. I have got you covered. I got you covered. I have got you this time. I got you this time. I got you this time. Don't worry, I have got you. Don't worry, I gotcha. I gotcha. And the next one is cup of. And this relates to cup of coffee or cup of tea. And it gets blended into cuppa. Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like a cuppa? Let's grab a cup of coffee. Let's grab a cuppa. I'm just having a cup of tea. I'm just having a cuppa. Fancy a cup of tea before we go? Fancy a cuppa before we go? He made me a cup of tea. He made me a cuppa. And the last blended word is come on, shortened to come on. And I'm sure you've heard Australians say this plenty of times. Come on, we've got to go. Come on, we've got to go. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. Come on, hurry up. Come on, hurry up. Come on, that's not fair. Come on, that's not fair. Come on, let's have a look. Come on, let's have a look. Remember to subscribe. I really appreciate it.